What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Itzz.harmo back with another freaking video. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're not. Today I'm going to be doing an in-depth top knot bun tutorial on my natural non-stretch curly hair. So the reason why I'm doing this specifically is because I received a TikTok DM. Yes, I'll be checking my DMs on a slick. I don't check them in like constantly where I'll be up to date, but I check them enough where I see what people be saying. And one of my DMs said, let me go to it. Hey girly, big fan here, blah 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 blah. I watch your reactions on YouTube, but I was wondering if you could do an in-depth sleek top knot bun tutorial. And that's what we're doing today, because I'm going to be outside and I want my hair to be done. So first up, I gotta take these braids in the front out. If y'all haven't seen this hairstyle, it's on my TikTok at Itzz.harmo, so make sure y'all go check me out there and follow me on there. Thank ya. So we're about to get into it. For starters, I'm gonna take these braids out and I'm gonna come back with the braids out of my head. Y'all need to see this part, it's not important. Guys, on my last braid, it hurt. I ain't gonna lie. And I need to find a spray bottle. So y'all gonna need a spray bottle for starters to detangle your hair and some leave-in conditioner. Or detangling cream. Found this spray bottle. Or detangling cream. I wish I should have got my mist bottle, but it's alright. Just have you a spray bottle, a detangling comb, and detangling hair products or cream. So for starters, I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair off for the detangling process. Oh, let me show y'all the 360 so y'all can see what I'm working with. I'm working with a lot right now. I'm gonna put this on my lap, so. I have to buy everything because I haven't done my natural hair in a minute. So I got this as my detangling brush. Aunt Jackie's not on my watch, so it's like detangling cream. This is not sponsored by the way, guys. Just let me try to do that. Aunt Jackie's, if y'all do want to sponsor me, my email is in the description. So hit my inbox. So you want to just spray it with the water. You don't have to like drench it in water, but moisturize it. It's easier to manipulate wet hair. Even if you get shrinkage, because I get shrinkage too, as y'all can see. Okay, cool. Now we finna just pump this. Okay, first. Let's see what it smells like. This is my first time using this, y'all. I just be buying stuff. It smells delicious, so that's great. Just gonna rub it in there. It's easier once you try to like finger detangle before you start combing. I really don't like combing my hair, so hopefully that. Hold on, this stuff is working magic already. No, my lashes are right here. That needs to come out. Okay. I am still finna separate it some more. Make it easier. Just like brush. And the reason why you should detangle your hair before you do like any sleek style is because it makes it easier to sleek. See? I'm gonna do the rest of this. Ooh. In the meantime, I'm gonna just twist the detangle sections up. I'm gonna repeat this step with the rest of my sections. I'm gonna come back when I'm in the front. Okay guys, so all of my hair is detangled. This is how much hair I lost. So I haven't combed my hair in like forever, so I'm not shocked. Like, it's not that bad, right? I don't know. It's dead hair obviously, so I didn't need it anyway. Some gel. I like extreme gel. So I'm telling y'all, this right here is good. I'm about to go ahead and take my twist out. My hair good and moisturized. The only thing is, when you have to detangle your hair and stuff before you do your bun, it's not gonna be as fluffy. But it dries fluffy, so you should be fine. About 360. Okay. So now get you a hard brush. You don't got you a hard brush. You already starting off wrong. I'm about to go around my head and just like slick it back. But y'all see how it's already kind of smooth? I already got gel in it. That's the look you're going for. Yeah. So now that I did that, I'm gonna have to get me a scrunchie. See, get y'all a scrunchie like this. These don't pop. So you can make your ponytail as tight as you need to. They don't have a knot on it. These are my favorite type of scrunchies. So this is gonna be a fake ponytail. Just to start off with something. Just grab it. And figure out where you want it to be positioned. I like mine like directly in the center. Ooh. Oh, y'all, this jump hurt. Okay. Ooh, okay. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna put it in a fake pony. Not fake pony. Right? I wrap it like this. Okay, cool. So now you're gonna go in with your gel. Squeeze it on them. Rub it. And you're gonna place that gel all over your head. The more gel you use, the more sleek your hair gonna be. But that's all the gel I need, because now I got multiple products on my head because I did not wash my hair. So rinse your hands off so you can get all that dead hair off your hands. If y'all not rinsing your hands off, y'all just putting the dead hair back on top of your head. Go in with your hard brush and start brushing. Do the back too for you. You see it? Just brush it. Go in with like a comb. Oh, never mind, that don't hurt. Stick with your brush if y'all don't want it to hurt. Is this slick enough for me? I go on my hands and I grab it, right? And I take the one that's already on there off. We go back in there. You gotta have a firm grip. Like, you gotta be able to grip your head. If you can't grip your head, I don't know what to tell you, because your ponytail not gonna be sleek. And you just keep on wrapping. I wrap until I feel like it's tight enough for me, because I don't like headaches. And that's good enough for harmony. Before I start on the bun, I go ahead and pull like the little extra hairs to make it look messy while it's still a little wet and not dry to my head. See how that look? Just add some curls to it. So now I'm about to go in and actually dry my hair a little bit, because this is not going to look right with. So I'm going with low cool. All right, bet. Now you're gonna take you another scrunchie. This is how you get the shape of a top knot. Pull your hair all the way up. I go in like the middle and I wrap it around. I make this part tight. It makes it fluffier. So right, you go like that, and then you like pull it a little bit to make it more round. See? And now you just grab the rest of your hair. And you just pull it out. The hairs you want to make it look messy. I'm trying to think, do I like it like this? I think it's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. Mind you, my buns look different every time I do them. I'm not gonna lie. So now, do your edges. Now we actually gonna do our edges. This is the 360. I just look in the back. I do a mirror check. It's cute. This tee, this little real brown mature now. And then the drier your hair get, the bigger your bun get. So don't stress yourself out. about size, whatever, as long as it's me. This is the edge control I've been using. Granted, it don't lay down forever. When it dries, it just make your edges look like baby edges. You get what I'm saying? Like curly and cute. See, I'm not that much of a dramatic edges. I do dramatic sideburns for the most part. It says I'm going for like the extra curly. But let's see. I'm gonna pull out a lot of sideburns. I'm not gonna try to OD though. That's enough for me. And I try to make it even on both sides. And then I like, for the front part, I brush the baby hairs out. So we like very big. I'm going to use it for this part. Really very big. This is so cute, adorable. Maybe it don't sound right. That's really why I like it. This is not I ain't know this. I know what you're doing. I'm not with all that extra stuff on my hair, y'all. I can't lie. Here, for some reason, it looks bald. So I just brush it down a little bit like that. Then on this part, I only do the top, not the bottom, so it can stay up and curly. See that? Then for the end of the curl, take a little bit of gel and you just rub it on your hair like that, and it will end up curling back up. Or you do it with a finger coil. I gotta pull more hair on the other side because now it's like I see it. Okay, cool. Next up, get you a scarf. And you gotta tie it down for a little bit. Let the hairstyle sit in. I'm about to finish getting dressed. And I'll be back. Okay, I felt wrong not showing y'all how I tie my scarves. So let me go ahead and do that. I got long scarves. So try to get you a long scarf if you have one. I go over the top right here. With the scarf. I tight, super tight. Because for some reason, it be humps right there. And that covers the back as well. Squeeze it tight. Unite it. Bam. Alright, hold on, you need one more scarf. So this scarf is gonna go over your edges. So you go like this. Right. And you bring it down your edges. Like this. Now the sideburns just don't get no love, but they'll be fine, hopefully. And you just tight. Now this will give you your time to clean up your mess and finish whatever you have going on. And then it'll be ready, I promise. Okay guys, your girl is dressed. So now let's do this real quick. I'm going to add a little pizzazz in my hair today. Let's go. And I just think that I want to make it a little bit higher. And to put it out, you just adjust this. You make it out here. That's all I just did there. And you put the hair over it. Yeah, I like that type of one. And I'll just do the same thing I did. It's so much harder with your hair. So maybe try to take your hair a little bit. Just needs to sit a little bit higher. I'm adding knockers. Pin it down. So I won't be so wobbly with the fruit. Just go ahead and wrap it around the front. Super cute and girly. I just love being girly. So adorable. Alright y'all, that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Let me give y'all a 360. Alright, this is a 360. Comment down below what hairstyle I'm gonna give a tutorial on next. Yeah, I hope this helped. If you have any questions, make sure you comment down below and let me know. I tried to be as in-depth as possible. This mirror just keep on making noise. I'm just taking it down for y'all. Rate this look 1 through 10 in the comments down below. Let me know if y'all messing with the bun or not. Like, is it given? Is it tea or not? I think it's, yeah, that's another thing you ate. Just put out some more baby hair right now. Yeah, I ate down. And period. I'll catch y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'm out. Bye, guys. Bye.
I'm with the boys in the hood right now. I'm feeling like Angela Bassett. Looking like Jessica Rabbit. They know that I'm talking to